How to add Presto card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet app. Here we go. This is the default app in your device. If you cannot find this app in your device, you can launch your App Store, search for the app Apple Wallet and install it. After completion of installation process, launch this app. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you will find this plus icon. Click on it. With that, different available card options will pop up. Now hit towards any of the option that is suitable for you. For instance, I will be selecting debit or credit card. Now click on Continue. Click on Enter card details manually. Now you have to fill this. Verify and complete your card information. Firstly, type in your card number and then click on Next. And in the next page, you have to go through the process, and with that, your card details will be updated. So this way, you can easily add Presto card to Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.